What are you?
The only person who can save your sister. There is a pack of alphas in this hospital who want me dead. So I'll help you only when I'm out of here and safe.
Are you telling me what to do now? When your psychotic, mass-murdering girlfriend has got my dad somewhere tied up waiting to be ritually sacrificed?
You're him, aren't you? The bad guy.
You have no idea.
Can I have your attention? Deucalion requests you bring the woman calling herself Jennifer Blake to the ER reception.
Deucalion doesn't just want an alpha pack. He wants the rarest of alphas.
A true alpha.
Do this, and everyone else can leave. You have 10 minutes.